is Emily Tan from Weiken Midview City. This unit is about 700 plus square feet, 2-bedroom with Scandinavian indoor and outdoor concept design.
We first found out about Emily through the Channel 8 TV series, so we were quite impressed with some of her work, so we decided to approach her. Overall, we're quite happy with Emily's work. Even though some of her ideas were being rejected by us, she was very patient and she kept giving us new ideas to how to keep away our mess. Every time we have a new idea or every time we have something that we want to change, she will definitely adhere to our criteria, and I think she has been very, very helpful in the entire project.
Actually, I think there's two parts of the house that I really like. One is the bedroom. I think the overall feel just makes me feel quite happy every time I look at it when I wake up. The other part, of course, is my TV console. With my big TV and everything else hidden, I can play games without getting distracted by things around.
I hope my homeowner will enjoy this place, and I will be looking forward for more challenging projects in future.